Okay, today I'm going to take you through the process of some speakers that I just purchased. They're not new to me because they are speakers that I had in the past that I wish I never had gotten rid of. So we're going to take a look at them together. I'm going to unpack them in front of your eyes, and also we're going to look at them and see if, what the surrounds look like. Without a doubt, what I'm going to do is probably change the capacitors in there. These are old speakers, so because they're so old, I'm going to just go ahead. I don't even think about it. I just go ahead and change the capacitors. This time, I am not going to get rid of them. These are EPI's M202s. I had the EPI M250s before. So they're basically the same speaker. These are earlier version than the other version. So let's take a look at them and see what we got. Okay, let's unpack these speakers. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to open them up. I know the box is nice size. Looks like they packed them well. Wow, I put in a lot of bubble wrap. I can use the bubble wrap again. So let's see. I think what I'm going to do is flip it upside down and let it slide out. Much easier for me. These are heavy speakers. Okay, let's take a look. Give it a good lift. Let's see. There's a lot of packing material here. You don't need to see me, you need to see the product. So, see, these speakers have, let's see, two sides, speakers on both sides, 8-inch drivers that they're known for, and then their special tweeters that they're known for. So looks like the grill covers. See them? The grill covers are really nice. I don't know if I can pull them off. I think one of them they had in the article shows one of the grill covers off. So I'll open the other box. So that you can see them. I'm going to unpack this second box. When I unpack it, I'll take a look. We'll see if we can see what's going on the inside. But you can see the speakers are pretty large, about 25 inches high by about either 15 inches on all four corners. So let's take a look at the second. I think they hooked this up so that we could slide it out. This one's easier than the other one was. Let's see. Come on, baby. Okay. Let's see, you can see the inside. So let me, I'll zoom in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm seeing. So the measurements on these are, it's like 15 by 15. And then when we go down to the bottom, it's 25. So they're 15 by 15 by 25. So it's they're a nice size. They're about 40 pounds a piece. So what I like and I see, I have to take my camera off the tripod and I'll show you that they're rubber surrounds. I mean, that's like a real blessing. So what I see here is that the woofer surrounds, like around here, it's rubber. So normally, often with their speakers, they're made out of I have to change the surrounds because they've rotted out, but these aren't that type of surround. These are rubber, so that's going to be a good thing. They have the inverted tweeter, so I'll have to connect them to see how they sound. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out one of the woofers, the one that's closer to the bottom, and change the capacitors. And you can see the controls for the speakers are on the bottom. So I guess it's because they have the way they're designed. They're designed where they have the back is plain. Nice furniture, very nice furniture, well done with this brass inlay right here. But you can see on two sides there are grills, so placement is going to be interesting. So they should be pretty nice. So I just took my camera off the tripod so that I can show you. I did an unboxing of the speakers, and so I've always enjoyed EPIs. I sold a couple of pairs of EPIs. I had a pair of EPI 100s, 2 pairs actually. I sold both of them on eBay. Also, I've had a pair of EPI 150s, and they were very nice speakers. I really enjoyed those speakers. And again, I sold them on eBay. I also had a pair of EPI M250s. Now those speakers were very nice. They had very nice bass, low end, nice highs. They surrounded the surround nicely. They have panels with the speakers on 2 sides, so they were really nice, and the sound spread out into the space very nicely. So I sold them on eBay, but after selling them on eBay, I had regrets, so I went back to eBay to see if I could find a pair. So I did a search, and I've been waiting for quite a while, and then finally some EPI M202 showed up. So that's what I unboxed today, and those are the speakers that I'm going to work on. So hopefully I'll share that with you. If you ever decide on a set of speakers, if you can get in a good price, usually you can get EPI speakers at a good price point. They're a very nice sounding speaker. If you get a chance to listen to a pair at a friend's house or something like that, take a listen to them. They're very nice. They have a New England sound, and the New England sound is similar to the ARs or a little bit like the Dynacos, and those are all my favorites. So I just wanted to share that with you. Usually I don't just get in front of the screen and talk, but I just wanted to share that with you.